My friend,
Oh yes, Aragoy.
ano ang ibig sabihin ng EDSA?
Epifanio de Los Santos Avenue.
Ah, very good. Do you have a joke for me?
Yes, I have a joke for you.
What?
Use affect in a sentence.
Affect?
Yes, affect.
Affect. Use it.
What? Use it. Okay, Maria is wearing a fake diamond.
It's a bring up, it's a rain, put it in there. Gusto ko. Oh, pare, ang laki ng dalag na nahuli mo ah. Hindi to dalag. Eh, ano yan? Pating. Ay, ganon ba? Ay, naku! Merong butiki! Hindi yan butiki. Eh, ano? Waya. Ganun ba? Sige, papicture na lang tayo dyan sa dalag na nakuha mo. Hindi nga dalag yan. Eh, ano? Pating. And jump! Ay, ko! Ow! Ay, sakit. No, nako! Sakto!
Mas ma-action pa ang inyong katatawanan bukas! This is Tonying! And keep remembering, when you hurt, you laugh. And when you laugh, you learn! Yeah! Yeah!
Abangan sa susunod na episode!